If you're wondering how to sketch a loft without using LiDAR, I'll show you how to do it easily in magicplan. Tap Insert, then Room, and select Draw Room. Choose Loft as the room type. Then tap on the blank canvas to start drawing. Create a rough outline that matches the shape of the room on site. There we go. Now, let's make sure the measurements are accurate. To do that, we'll use a Bluetooth laser meter. Simply connect the laser meter to the app, and you're ready to start measuring.
Simply go against the wall and check that we see the light on the other side.
Now, simply walk from wall to wall. Tap the small blue number on the wall you want to measure. Then, use your Bluetooth laser meter, and the exact measurement will be transferred directly into the floor plan within seconds. Just a quick note, as you saw, you first need to create the room using your preferred sketching method. Only after the room has been created can you verify and adjust the measurements using a Bluetooth laser meter. The laser meter cannot be connected while you are in the process of creating the room. And voila, your loft is complete.